He took his own mother's life, but he wanted more.
¿Quién mataste? A mi madre, a mi propia madre. Soy asesino mortal, ahora sí soy asesino y me vale turca la vida. Y pensaba palmar a mi mismo abuelo, a 2 tíos, 3 tíos, de puta, me pensaba echar y a ese hijo de puta brujo, que se llama Noel Talavera.
The man repeated and celebrated his horrendous crime.
Le voy a decir millones de veces.
Pero no eso lo vas a decir en el juzgado, ¿sí?
Con toda madre yo lo digo.
¿No te arrepentí de haber matado a tu madre?
¿Y después con qué la tapaste?
Es que era bruja.
The crime scene was horrifying, and the murder seemed related to the occult.
¿Para qué le pusiste unas Biblias así?
Para que se salve, porque el brujo se tiene que salvar. Yo le profetizo que esté en el cielo.
Cállate.
No, es que yo soy chiva. Si usted me dice de Biblia, yo soy chivisísimo. No es que la que me lleva al cielo.
In his head, there was only the idea of a supposed justice. He was an avenger.
¿Quién iba a matar después que mataste a tu mamá?
Todo el hijo de puta que me caía mal a todito.
¿Quién?
Ladrones, pandilleros, violadores.
Of course, behind all this erratic behavior hid a terrible disease, schizophrenia.
La mujer fue encontrada envuelta en ropa y con unas Biblias alrededor. La denuncia fue interpuesta por la hermana del victimario, Denis Flores Gómez, de 18 años de edad. La joven manifestó que Denis padece de esquizofrenia y que el hecho ocurrió cuando su mamá se dispuso a llevarle comida y él la atacó con un cuchillo.
Denis Flores was 28 years old when he shocked all of Nicaragua with his actions. Since he murdered his mother in cold blood, he received the most severe punishment.
Tomando en cuenta la gravedad del hecho, le voy a pedir que imponga al acusado la pena máxima de 30 años de prisión.
The horrible crime committed by this man only demonstrated a reality that is often overlooked in society. Schizophrenia is a problem that afflicts hundreds of thousands of people around the world.
I think what people don't really understand, normal people who don't have experiences with these type of things, is that me personally, I had no idea what was going on. It's not like I became angry at something or that something had really happened to me that was emotionally devastating. It was just like I lost touch with reality.
These episodes that people with schizophrenia experience can often be managed in psychiatric institutions because, of course, managing them at home can be very dangerous.
He was a skinny and obviously talented teen when he pounded out hard rock rhythms at his drum set. But family members say 18-year-old Keith Vidal also struggled with schizophrenia, and Sunday he became too much for his parents to handle alone.
Keith had become violent with his parents, so they decided to call the police for help. However, the young man would end up being killed by the officers.
This was uncalled for, and this is not how mental health patients should be treated.
Schizophrenia has become an issue that needs to be dealt with, and of course, is closer than we might think.
I couldn't communicate. I was, at that point, hearing voices. Yes. Mainly in music. I don't know how to explain it, but the song lyrics would change, and they would say hateful things, racist things, homophobic things. They would tell me to harm people. They would talk about harming people, and I really didn't know how to vocalize it.